What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in, the owner of HogOn Welding. And I just wanted to show you what I mean about this welding hip-hop. I want to give a big shout out to Pastor Troy, Beehive. I was tuned in this morning to the radio station, and hey, I got to do something to this joint. I'm the last breed from the cotton field where we trapped on the gravel road. True 80, baby, when you see me coming, got my hustle game from the old. I remember seeing Buck running shit and Mick keep a pistol in his clothes. Daddy Joe was known for the dope. In the hood, it always gave us hope. Can't keep our money in vain till they take it. Think that we stupid, they robbing us naked. So we ride old schools and they skating. Yeah, I'm big rims and some of us dating. Keeping our clothes clean with some fashion. Knowing one day we just going to the ash to stay in the club. Drinking and smashing, no need for acting, cause this how we live. Once I was freed up a goal in my grill. Started with 4, we got 8 out the field. On everything that it touching is real. I took a box Chevy and got a meal. Right in the Beamer, man, without a deal. You asked my daughter, we did miss a meal. Always in blue, that's the life that I live. Luxury cars, cause I'm a star. Keep me a stick, I might pull me a lick. Grew up with bosses and crib, we was thick. No need for lying, I'm true to this shit. God alive, so I feel legit. Still getting money and calling it bricks. Old habits don't die too quick. Bitch, that's why I'm on my shit. Bitch, Rick James in this bitch. Rich.